Welcome to AutoCAD Help. I'm Mr. Davison. In this video we are going to cover polar arrays. Let's just get started. First thing I need to do really is I'm going to create a polygon. I'll do 5 sides. I'm going to center it at 10, 10, inscribed in a circle with a radius of 0.5, let's say. Okay, so something small. And I am going to elongate it a little bit. And the reason is I want it to be pointing up. If I did a circle or square or something, you wouldn't see one of the features. I am going to go to the array here, and you'll see rectangular arrays, the one selected right now, but you also have a choice of path array and polar array. Today we are going to look at polar array. So polar array will create a circle around a center object. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is click it, and it's going to say select the object. So I'm going to select the object. If this was multiple objects, I can select all of them. You notice it says objects, so more than one. But it's one object, so I can select it, and I hit enter. Now it says specify a point. So I can click anywhere on the screen, but I'm going to pick 10, so it's directly underneath, comma, let's say 5. Okay, and instantly you notice that it created the multiple objects all the way around. Now, there are some snaps here. The middle snap is going to be for moving it. We'll just leave that over there. This snap is to increase the radius or decrease the radius, and this snap is to change the angle. Okay, the thing you should notice is that this tells you the number of items, and this tells you the angle between. When you change this snap will appear, which will add or subtract number of items. So if I do this, this number will change to 4. So again, you do polar array, you select the object, you hit enter, you pick your point, you can even select here, you got your 6. Now you can change this. You can make this 12. And it will increase to 12 all the way around. This times this should equal 360. So if I change this to 15 degrees between, you notice it closes the gap here, and you have only. Now I can grab this other snap and keep on adding. Okay. Now, one of the other things you should know is that when you close the array and you click on this, it's one object and it will go back to the array tab. You can go to the home tab, and if you want this all individual objects, because this is now one object, then you must explode it. Now they are individual objects. Okay. Back to R1, I'm going to array this, and this time I'm going to select this rotate items. Now you remember in AutoCAD, if it's blue, it's selected. So right now it's rotating these items around this point. If I deselect this, you notice they point all upright. That is one of the things you can do So rotate the items around the central point, or don't rotate them. All right. So I hope you learned something about polar array.